This is going to be our overall view. In front of you, many of you have seen this. This is the Vix Tool. You can learn about the Vix Tool on the website. I labeled what each of the lines are. What this tool does is it follows Vix Term Structure. It tells us what the VIX is doing in 9 days, like a 9-day average, a 30-day average, a 90-day average, and a 1 year. This Vix tool, we call it our Vix Trading System. It doesn't give buy signals very much. But when it does, it's probably the one signal we rely on most. So let me explain this. I have you on a daily. We just got a buy signal. We get buy signals once or twice, maybe 3 times a year, once in a while. But just to give you an overview, if we go back here pre-COVID, here's the 9-day VIX. Here's the VIX that most people follow, the 30-day VIX. Here's the 90-day VIX, and here's the 1-year VIX. Now, the reason these are trading like this is because everything's fine. Everything's okay. 9-day VIX is super low because there's nothing going on. There's no pending news. The world is relatively good. The further out VIX are always going to be higher because there's more time, there's more uncertainty. But when the pandemic hit, all that uncertainty went to the 9-day and the 30-day. And the 1 year was lower because the thinking was, over time, we're going to beat this virus. So the Vix Trading System, it measures when those shorter term volatilities go higher than the longer term volatilities. And the way we get a trading signal is when they start crossing. We need them to come back below this moving average and then stay below for the same amount of time that it was above. And then we get a buy signal. All well and good, right? But why do we have such confidence in this tool? Glad you asked. Now I added some grids so you can more easily see these buy signals, but I went back with all the data that it has, and it goes all the way back to 2013. If I hit the beaker, I want to show you how it looks against SPX, or let's do SPY, the spiders. Okay, apply, okay. Now, we just got a buy signal. These buy signals here, look what the market did. It went straight up. Now the buy signals are looking for 100-point gains in the S&P futures. 100-point gain. So we had these buy signals. Even this buy signal here, which was right at the end of January, the market still rallied and the S&P futures still went up 100 points before COVID came out and the market plummeted. Nevertheless, the markets acted really favorable to these buy signals, so when we see them, we want to get long. To give you more confidence, guys, we have a back tester, so you can back test all those signals. Back test trade size. Let's do one S&P future, and again, we want to make 100 points. Okay, apply, show study. Okay. So here is the back-tested results of all these different buy signals. All I do is right-click, show report. Let me open it up. And again, this is grabbing all the data that I can, going back to 2013. And you can see we don't get a lot of buy signals. The whole thing did 13 trades, 13 round trips. So, 26 total buys and sells. But as you can see, every single time we've gotten a buy signal from this Vix Trading System, the market's rallied 100 points. So with that being said, we just got a buy signal. And considering we just got a buy signal, we are definitely going to have a bias to being long the overall market. So that sets the table. To learn more about the Vix Trading System and the back tester, we have information on the website, or just email support@mastersinTrading.